What's up, YouTube? Gary coming at you. So, in this video, you might already know, we're going to go big or go home. My socket drawer. This is my home box. Not what I have at the shop or in my pit cart. So, let's start in. So in the back, let's preface with the right side's all metric, middle is metric, and over here is SAE. So in the back we have half inch. These are by Dynamic. Chromes, very nice. On the back rail here, we have gear wrench. We have, get out. The mini sockets. Focus. This goes from 10 to 24. And these are by Capri. You'll be seeing a lot of Capri in here as we move through. These are the Astro nanos. The spline drives, I think these are from Pittsburgh. Chromes by Husky. Bits and security bits from Husky. Moving on down, I've got 1/4 inch stuff from Tekton, Capri, gear wrench, you name it, it's in there. My snap-on wobbles. So snap-on wobbles, Capri rail, another Capri rail, Capri, gear wrench impacts. Moving on, snap-on quarters, Tekton, another set from 7 to 19, 3/8 shallow. These are my Capri long, Allens, and Torx. Snap-on Behemoth ratchet. Pittsburgh Pro breaker bar, which I don't use anymore. Long extensions. Tekton 1/2 inch. So, yeah. Got some Astro wheel sockets, snap-on deep and shallow, 3/8 chrome, snap-on, Capri deep, mid, shallow, and nano and 3/8. Moving on to the back, right side, Tekton 1/2 inch deep and shallow. Nanos are Astro. Chromes are Husky. With a few little Pittsburgh thrown in. The majority of the chrome are Husky. I do have a Capri set of standard sizes for 1/4 inch. If you use spark plug sockets, my Summit adapter, safety glasses, miscellaneous sockets, O2 sockets, and that's pretty much it for that top drawer of all my home stuff. But because we already showed some of the ratchets, let's get into some of the good ones. Got a snap-on long 3/8, snap-on quarter, Matco, yeah, part number. There you are. One of my go-to ratchets, FLH80. This is the orange handle. FH80. Got a longer 1/4 inch snap-on. The FM70. Tekton quarter. Capri. Got the gear wrench teardrop, 1/4 inch body, 92s. Got a Capri 1/2 inch Titan quarter, Titan bit driver, little Capri breaker bar, various extensions. That's about it in that drawer. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep it on the track. What's up, YouTube? So round 2, wrench drawer. So we got Tekton ratcheting wrenches, Capri standard, Tekton stubbies, Capri thin wrenches, Capri bolt biters, got some SK, got some Stanley, Capri 75-degree offsets, Capri regulars, Tekton stubbies, and got the Tekton regulars. Also got the Tekton ratcheting wrenches there. So yeah, moving on down. Pliers screwdriver drawer. Got gear wrench Tekton screwdrivers, gear wrench chisels. Here's an old Stanley USA flathead. Got some Astro body tools, Capri nut driver, Pliers Cobalt dynamic, gear wrench. Got Tekton. There's a Doyle, what is that, bolt cutter, Lyle, good old Knipex needle nose, dynamic. Got my cutters in here, USA, Irwin dikes, Knipex dikes, Tekton dikes, what else? SK, snap-on dikes, SK's in there, the green handles, more Lyle, you'll see my Clecos. Got some Easy Red. Got the Doyle little 5-inch needle nose. Safety wire pliers. Husky big boys. Tekton bit set. My snap-on PWZ3s. my Astro snap ring pliers, OTC. So yeah, just various things. Lyle flywheel tool. Yeah, just a little bit of everything. You know, no shame. It's a home box. You know, body tools by Astro. Yeah, it works. You know. What else? Hiding in there is the Tekton Allen keys. They love to hide. The Tekton screwdrivers have worked out really well for me. Haven't broken one yet, so that's a very good sign. So yeah. My electrical drawer is, now, a lot of my stuff, like I said, is at the shop, so can't really do much. So yeah, I mean, I've got a lot of Altel heavy stuff, so it is what it is. I just keep basic things here. So yeah, with that, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and keep it on the track.